What up, family? So I'm gonna come to you with a quick tutorial on how to make your own what's it, eyebrow gel. So I'm gonna show you the one that I've been using. I was using the Elf brand, but I ran out and using this Arnell. Is it Arnell or Ardell? Ardell brow gel, and it's really like brown because I sometimes go over my eyebrows. Look at my terrible skin. But you don't have to really make anything. It's more like you just buy it, and if you want to tint it, you can just wait gradually as this picks up color from your eyebrow pencil, or you can add a little bit of like liquid eyeliner to it. You know what I mean? You're gonna need one product. Very cheap, very easy, very quick. Boom, bada bang, bada boom. Right here. This is the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel, pure, no color added. I cleaned out an old mascara tube. I took the stopper off and it got stuck up there, but I'm gonna just show you that you can just screw it back on there, screw it off, and the stopper's back on the bottom. I'm just gonna take an old mascara tube that I cleaned out, take the gel, put it in the container, hold it really flat so that you can squeeze some in there. And I'm gonna do it one more time, and it should be full. Now I'm just gonna put the little mascara wand in there, move it around a little bit, and you have your eyebrow gel. Now what you can also do is go to Dollar Tree. They have gel there. It's gonna say like extra hold something gel. It's a big clear thing of gel. It doesn't hold anything. I've tried it. So you can definitely use it on your eyebrows because it's just like this. Matter of fact, this may hold better than the Dollar Tree kind. So go get that if you want to. On this eyebrow, I'm gonna use the On Brand eyebrow gel. I know you can find this kind in a travel size at Target. You can find it at Walmart, but usually I don't see it in there, so I had to order it. But you can also get the green kind. Now I'm going to use the aloe vera kind on my eye. My eyebrows are sisters, not twins. There it is. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you have really cheap eyebrow gel because you can just keep on, like when this runs out, I'm gonna refill it. This was only like $3.50 for the whole bottle, so. And this was like $3.50. So you save a little money. It is natural. I don't know exactly what's in here, but it's more natural and whatever. Yeah, until next time, toodaloo. Between us, just like big fences.